Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel. Here is Andrew Henry talking to you from my channel WebDev. Today is a very important episode as we will be talking about coloring, the secrets of the coloring by the cel shade technique. I will be sharing this PSD file with you guys through my Google Drive, so no worries, you will get the PSD to study alone. Just focus with me on this video. You must have a solid colors like blue, purple, red, solid tone to be exact. After that solid tone that doesn't consist of shadow or light one, you will be adding a light color. As you have seen, I'm changing this layer blending options to multiply to be able to cut the light source from it, cut the light part from it. The shadow is coming from the up left area, and as you can see here, I'm preparing sphere. After that I am adding a light, very light, pointy light, and the alias light to the sphere. After that I add a glowy white, give it kinda like it, it's kinda glowy. You can control the opacity as you wish. Here you go, your desired sphere. I'm not satisfied with the whites I've added already, so I'm added a new one. So here is our sphere. As for the next one, it's very important to understand which color tone you will work on. Imagine the colors before you start coloring anything. After that, the coloring technique won't matter. The coloring technique, it will come to your mind while you are working on the piece. It's very important to avoid saturation, which I might call the color burn. It will take your eyes far away from the drawing or the art piece you're doing, so you will have to control that the color and its negative, the composition between colors and the harmony symphony between the colors. Sometimes I use the same color and add a multiply, like duplicating the same color tone and make it a multiply. It's different coloring series. But now I'm telling you how you can use 3 tones to make it look like I'm showing it to you now. Understand the light, know the light source, understand the sphere you are coloring. You are coloring a face or a hand, understand its aspects, its angles, its shape, its mass. Then start imagining the opposite area or the dark areas of the sphere of this hand to add the shadow. Remember, always remember that the power in coloring is in the shaded light. in the shaded light. It's very complicated theory that I came up with. It's not I came up with it in a single night or something. Actually, it's something I learned strange way I might be sharing in the future with you how I learned this. But the power is in the shaded light, that it's very important to understand the light, then figure out the shades. Let's take for example the next ball, the next sphere that I'll be coloring. Changing the tone. Then I'll be adding a layer with this tone. Then make it a multiply. Cut from it the light area. The light from this one is coming from below, so I'm cutting it. Adding the light, the highlight part. Sometimes I leave it like this, make it color judge or liner judge. It doesn't matter. What matters is the whole composition of the work, the whole theory of coloring. It's very important. So again, I'm saying it again because it's very important when you are coloring anything. The power is in the shaded light. Concentrate on the light, understand the light, then move to the shadow. It's very easier this way. Make it a liner dodge and removing the undesired parts from it. You can make a clipping mask. I used to do work on a clipping mask back in the years, but I'm not doing clipping mask now. Maybe I'll be doing a video how you can make a clipping mask for beginners. If you wish to know some Photoshop features, please leave it in the comments area, or send to me through DeviantArt or my social media links. So I'll be sharing this PSD file with you guys, so no worries, you will understand it fully afterwards. I'm making another sphere to understand this cell shade technique. When I tried to understand cell shade at the beginning, I thought there is some kind of rules when you are picking colors, and you'll have to use this color tone, or the red tone like this, or the blue tone, this tone exactly, to make it look like an anime or a cartoon. I was totally a fool back there. What is right is that after you pick the color, you can change it with Ctrl U, controlling the hue, saturation, the color, to make it look like a solid color like you are viewing or watching right now. Power is in the shaded light, so I am removing the shade from the light tone. I'm adding a white. highlight area. Then clicking the base layer of the solid color tone and select inverse and remove the out white of our sphere. It's very fast. Now adding the highlight. Sometimes I'm not satisfied with just white color, so make it color dodge or liner dodge, whatever fits better. See, it's very easy. Many thanks guys for watching. Please tell me what you think. If you need any more other thing or ask about any other features, please leave it in the comment section. Thanks again. Looking forward to talk to you again.